Hi, how are you? For Uber?
Hi.
Hi, for Uber?
Yes.
Hi, what's the name?
Nicolette.
Cool. Can you confirm the destination, please?
We're gonna go to a house party, actually.
Oh, okay.
It's gonna be so fun.
Oh, nice.
What's your name?
I'm Dylan.
Oh, nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you. You can wear your seatbelt?
Oh, yeah. I'll put it on. So you should come to the party with me.
You want me to go to the party with you?
Yeah, I don't have a date. I'm going alone. It's gonna be really fun.
I mean, well, what kind of, like, party is this? It's like 3 p.m. It's like a day party kind of thing?
Yeah, it's a day party. It's gonna be a pool party.
Well, I don't have my swim trunks, so.
You can just go in your underwear.
In front of other people? Are you joking?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna...
Everyone's gonna do it.
What? What kind of party is this? This sounds crazy.
It's gonna be a really great party.
I don't know. It doesn't sound like my vibe. I'm not really like a big partier.
You'll love it, I promise. I'll take care of you.
What?
Me and my friends will show you a really good time.
I don't know. I wouldn't want to like third wheel. Like, are your friends?
No.
Are your friends guys or girls?
Girls.
Me with how many?
There's gonna be at least like 50, 100.
50 girls?
Maybe more.
I'll be way too nervous. I don't know.
Why?
I mean, I haven't gone on a date in like over a year. I mean, I feel like
It'll be so fun. Come on.
well, my old girlfriend dumped me, and then I just haven't felt inspired to do a date or anything. And I mean,
Well, it'll just be like a date with like me
I know
and my
this-
50 hot friends.
I know they say to be like spontaneous, but I mean, I feel like it's just probably not a good idea.
Come on, you have to go.
Are you
Please.
to the?
Come
Are you
on.
sure?
You're so cute.
I don't know.
You have to come. I'll be so sad if you don't come.
I feel like my mom wouldn't. She would have.
Your mom?
Well, it's like safety. Like, I don't know. I feel like
We're not gonna hurt you.
Well, I mean, I don't. It's like they always say, like, don't like trust strangers. Like, I just met you.
I'm not a stranger. We'll become friends. We can get to know each other.
I don't know. It just seems a little like. Just seems a little too good to be true. You know, you know what they say, when something's too good to be true, it's probably not true.
It's true, and you should believe it, and you should clock out of your Uber job and just come
Oh, that's
with
the
me.
other thing. I need to work. I need to do more rides, so it's not even possible. I need to do like at least 3 more rides today.
But this will be so much more fun than work. And you can always do your rides later or tomorrow.
There's not going to be any alcohol there, right?
There's gonna be alcohol.
Okay, yeah, I can't go because I'm.
What? You don't have to drink.
I know, but I don't want. I just don't like being around that. It's like people really drinking alcohol still. I feel like alcohol's so dangerous.
What?
There's no other like other things there too, right?
Probably.
Like no one's gonna vape too, right? Because I know vape, all the chemicals, it's not really good. Like,
yeah.
I know in vapes, like they put in little chemicals, and like I don't want to be around that, you know.
I will definitely keep you safe. I won't let anything bad happen to you. Me and all my friends will take good care of you.
What do you mean take good care of me? Like, what are you gonna babysit me or something?
No, we're just gonna make sure you have a really good time. Get in the pool, hot tub.
Well, like I said, I don't have my bathing suit, so like it's not gonna work.
It's okay. Just take off your pants.
What?
Yeah.
Literally, no, I can't do that in front of other people.
Everyone's gonna do it.
I literally, like, I have tan lines, so like people are gonna judge me probably.
That's hot.
No, my legs are like white, like they haven't seen this like the sun ever.
Well, then you should get some sun right now.
I don't know.
Even out your legs. Or you could just get like a really fully even tan and just take off everything.
Are you serious?
I'll do it with you.
You're joking.
I hate tan lines too.
You're joking, right?
No, I'm serious.
I don't.
So let's go. Come on. You wanna go?
This is beyond my level. I'm sorry. You can maybe ask the next Uber driver to do this, because
What?
you seem really nice. You do. But like I said, I haven't dated in over a year, and I feel like I need more time to.
We can just go
work
as
on-
friends.
I don't know.
You're gonna make me go alone.
You said you have 50 friends.
Yeah, but they're all girls.
All right, well, we're here.
All right, let's go. Come on.
I hear music. I don't know.
Yeah,
It's kind of
good music.
probably too loud.
It's okay. Maybe we could just like go somewhere quiet first, so you get less nervous. Like in the house.
I don't know. It's okay. Thank you though. I appreciate it.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. Thanks.
I think you'll have a really great time.
It's okay. I'm just gonna do a couple more rides and then probably go home, and I'll probably read. So I'm trying to finish this book by tonight because I really like it. It's about like medieval, or it's like mystical stuff, fairies and stuff. So
that's cool.
Yeah.
Well,
it's pretty
if
fun.
you change your mind, you can come back. Or just like message me on the app or something.
Oh, through the app. Yeah, I can message you through the app like later.
Okay. Sounds cool.
Alrighty.
Bye.
See ya. Thank you. 5 stars.
Yeah, 5 stars and a good tip.
Oh wow, thank you so much. Appreciate that.